Hello everyone, my name is Felicia. I am an accounting student from Binus University, Kemanggisan Campus. In this video, I will present my scientific article entitled The Influence of Environmental, Social, and Sustainable Lending Portfolios on Financial Performance, the mediating role of environmental performance in Indonesia banks. This study was conducted under the supervision of Luciana S.A. MIK 30A. In this section, climate change poses significant environmental and financial risks to the banking sector. It increases both cycle risks, such as extreme weather events and transition risks related to regulatory change and market transformation. This risk can affect the stability and financial performance of banks. Banks play a strategic role as financial intermediaries that channel investor funds into various economic sectors. Through their lending activities, banks influence capital allocation and support economic development. In this context, sustainable finance becomes a key instrument to promote environmentally friendly and socially responsible sectors while managing long-term risks. In Indonesia, sustainable finance implementation is supported by several regulatory frameworks. The Sustainable Finance Roadmap provides the foundation for green banking practice. This framework is strengthened by Financial Service Authority Regulation (POJK) number 51/POJK.03/2017, which requires banks to prepare a sustainable finance action plan and publish sustainability reports. Furthermore, Indonesia's green taxonomy and the carbon exchange strengthen the classification and incentives for green financing. However, in practice, sustainable financing has not been fully internalized in banking activities. Green financing remains limited and is still dominated by projects classified as yellow and red. Moreover, empirical evidence shows that sustainable financing doesn't always lead to consistent improvements in banks' financial performance. Environmental, social, and sustainability lending portfolios do not necessarily increase profitability. Therefore, this study aims to examine the influence of environmental, social, and sustainability lending portfolios on financial performance, with environmental performance acting as a mediating variable in the Indonesian banking sector. Next, based on the background of this study, this research is guided by several key research questions. First, does environmental lending have an effect on environmental performance? Second, does social lending have an effect on environmental performance? 3. Does sustainable lending portfolios have an effect on environmental performance? 4. Does environmental lending affect the financial performance of banking companies in Indonesia? 5. Does social lending affect the financial performance of banking companies in Indonesia? Next, research question 6. Does sustainable lending portfolios affect the financial performance of banking companies in Indonesia? 7. Does environmental performance affect the financial performance of banking companies in Indonesia? 8. Does environmental performance mediate the influence of environmental lending on the financial performance of banking companies in Indonesia? 9. Does environmental performance mediate the influence of social lending on the financial performance of banking companies in Indonesia? And finally, does environmental performance mediate the influence of sustainable lending portfolios on the financial performance of banking companies in Indonesia? Next, based on the research question, this study has several main objectives. 1. Analyze the effects of environmental, social, and sustainable lending portfolios on environmental performance of banking company in Indonesia. Second, analyze the effect of environmental, social, and sustainable lending portfolios on financial performance of banking companies in Indonesia. 3. Analyze the effect of environmental performance on financial performance. And last, analyze the mediating role of environmental performance in the relationship between sustainable lending portfolios and financial performance. In terms of research contribution, this study is expected to provide several important benefits. From a theoretical perspective, this research enriched the literature on sustainable finance and green banking by highlighting the role of environmental performance as a mediating variable. From an empirical perspective, this study provides evidence from Indonesian banks on how environmental, social, and sustainable lending portfolios influence financial performance. From a practical and policy perspective, the findings offer valuable insight for bank management and regulators in strengthening the implementation of sustainable financing policies. Overall, this study seeks to support the development of a more sustainable and resilient banking sector in Indonesia. This study is based on several key theories that explain the relationship between sustainable finance and bank performance. First, stakeholder theory explains that banks are responsible not only to investors but also to regulators and society. Through sustainable financing, banks are expected to support environmental and social goals. Second, sustainable finance theory suggests that integrating environmental, social, and governance factors helps banks reduce risk and improve long-term profitability. Third, the Porter hypothesis argues that environmental regulation can encourage innovation and efficiency, which may lead to better financial performance. Based on these theories, this study aims to examine how environmental, social, and sustainability lending portfolios affect financial performance, with environmental performance as a mediating factor. The findings are expected to contribute to academic literature and provide practical insight for banks and regulators in strengthening sustainable finance practice. This slide presents the conceptual framework and hypothesis development of this study. As illustrated in framework, this research examined three main independent variables. There are environmental lending, social lending, and sustainable lending portfolios. The dependent variable is financial performance, while environmental performance serves as the mediating variable. Hypothesis. The first hypothesis is environmental lending has a positive effect on environmental performance. The second hypothesis is social lending has a positive effect on environmental performance. The third hypothesis is sustainable lending portfolio has a positive effect on environmental performance. The fourth hypothesis is environmental lending has a positive effect on the financial performance of a banking company in Indonesia. The fifth hypothesis is social lending has a positive effect on the financial performance of banking companies in Indonesia. Next, the sixth hypothesis is sustainable lending portfolio has a positive effect on the financial performance of banking company in Indonesia. Seventh hypothesis is environmental performance has a positive effect on the financial performance of banking companies in Indonesia. The eighth hypothesis is environmental performance mediates the effect of environmental lending on the financial performance of banking companies in Indonesia. The ninth hypothesis, environmental performance, mediates the effect of social lending on the financial performance of banking company in Indonesia. And the last hypothesis is environmental performance mediates the effect of sustainable lending portfolios on the financial performance of banking companies in Indonesia. This session explains the research methodology used in this study. This study employs a quantitative research approach using secondary data. The data are obtained from the annual reports and sustainability reports of financial sector companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange during the period from 2020 to 2024. The sampling technique used in the study is purposive sampling. The initial population consists of 100 financial sector companies listed on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. From this population, 55 non-banking financial companies were excluded. In addition, 2 companies did not publish complete sustainability reports, and 22 companies did not have data that matched the research variables. As a result, the final sample consisted of 21 banking companies with a total of 105 firm-year observations. The data are analyzed using panel data regression analysis with eView software. The analysis includes classical assumption tests such as normality, multicollinearity, heteroscedasticity, and autocorrelation tests. Model selection is conducted using the Chow test, Hausman test, and Regression multiplier test, followed by descriptive statistical analysis. Next, hypothesis testing is carried out using the coefficient of determination, or R-squared, to measure the explanatory power of the model. The if test is used to examine the simultaneous effects of the independent variables, while the t-test is used to examine their partial effects. Finally, a mediation test is conducted using the Sabel test to analyze the mediating law of environmental performance. Through this methodology, the study aimed to provide robust empirical evidence on the relationship between sustainable lending, environmental performance, and financial performance in the Indonesian banking sector. This session presents the research and discussion of this study. The tables displayed on the slide summarize the main findings of the panel data regression analysis. First, coefficient of determination, or R-squared. First, the coefficient of determination, or R-squared, explains how well the independent variable describes the dependent variable. For structure 1, the R-squared value is 4.07%. This means that environmental lending, social lending, and sustainable lending portfolios generally explain 4.07% of the variation in environmental performance. The remaining 19.90% 3% is influenced by other factors outside the model. In Structure 2, the R-squared value equals on 0.00. This indicates that environmental lending, social lending, and sustainable lending portfolios fully explain variation in financial performance. Next, the if test is used to examine the simultaneous effects of the independent variable. The research showed that environmental lending, social lending, and sustainable lending portfolios simultaneously have a significant effect on environmental performance. This is indicated by probability a value of 0.005, which is lower than 0.05. Similarly, these variables also have a significant simultaneous effect on financial performance with a probability F value of 0.000. The t-test examines the partial effects of each variable. In Structure 1, environmental lending has a positive and significant effect on environmental performance with a coefficient of 0.082627. Social lending also shows a positive and significant effect with a coefficient of 0.047883. Meanwhile, the sustainable lending portfolio has a strong effect with a coefficient of 0.534243. This research indicates that sustainable lending practice contribute to improving environmental performance. In Structure 2, environmental lending, social lending, sustainable lending portfolios, and environmental performance each have a positive and statistically significant effect on financial performance. This means that both sustainable financing activities and environmental performance play an important role in enhancing the financial performance of Indonesia Bank. And finally, mediation test. The mediation test is conducted using the Sobel test. The research showed that environmental performance significantly mediates the relationship between sustainable lending and financial performance. The mediation effect is confirmed for environmental lending with a Z value of 2.375. For social lending, the Z value is 2.277, and for sustainable lending portfolios, the Z value is 2.534. These findings indicate that sustainable lending improves financial performance not only directly, but also indirectly through better environmental performance. Overall, the research supports the proposed hypothesis and highlights the strategic importance of sustainable finance in the Indonesia banking sector. In conclusion, the study finds that environmental, social, and sustainable lending practice significantly improve both environmental performance and financial performance in Indonesia banks. The research also showed that environmental performance play an important mediating role. This indicates that sustainable financing enhances bank profitability mainly through improvement in environmental performance. These findings highlight that the integration of environmental, social, and governance principles is not only a regulatory requirement, but also a strategic approach to strengthening bank performance. Based on these findings, several recommendations can be proposed. Future studies are encouraged to use more diverse indicators of environmental performance. In addition, expanding the research scope to include non-banking sectors or cross-country study may help enhance the robustness of the findings. Future research may also incorporate regulatory frameworks, corporate governance, and policy-related factors to provide a more comprehensive understanding of sustainable finance implementation. Thank you very much.